I'm starting off in Prestegårdsskogen naturreservat, or the vicarage forest nature reserve. This especially because it's not allowed flying a drone into the Outer Hvaler National Park, but I can still film towards it. The canopy is so dense that the large parking lot beneath is not possible to see. In the distance you can see Skjærhalden. And here is the Big Sand or Storsand Bay. We go over to the air nook or the Ørekroken Bay. As far as I can see, only water, no land. When the wind is blowing, it's blowing hard here. This is really a fairy tale forest. I have now moved to Rødshue, or Red Hat, probably the closest translation. At this area they have made a stone art exhibition. As you see, the wind may really blow hard here. You can see the branches leaving away from the shore. And other vegetation crawls on the ground. But when it's as little wind as now, it's a perfect time to go boating. This is also part of the Outer Hvaler National Park.